Welcome, today I'm paired with me Black Shark 5 Pro and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key on the right side of our phone, we can launch the camera application. And for example, if you wanna change this option, for example to use the flashlight, we should first launch the settings application, scroll down to the additional settings. After that we should click to the gesture shortcuts, and now here we can see launch camera switcher is activated. We should turn it off and then tap here to turn on torch. Just click once on the switcher, and now by double press the power key we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.